Inside the secret vaults of the world's elite, $100 million car collection looks like a masterpiece preserved in a facility that costs more than the vehicles themselves. In 2026, these are no longer just garages, but subterranean sanctuaries accessible only by industrial-grade hydraulic floors and military-grade biometric access. You might find a Porsche-designed tower elevator whisking a hypercar directly into a luxury living room gallery, or a sprawling private museum with full-time staff dedicated to every microscopic detail of engineering. The high-tech fortress of today utilizes stealth entrances integrated into the landscape, where grassy knolls or swimming pools drain to reveal hidden ramps beneath the earth. Inside, positive pressure systems blow air outward whenever a door opens to ensure a dust-free environment, while inductive charging pads hidden in floor tiles keep solid-state batteries optimized without a single visible cable. To protect these assets, vibration sensors monitor for seismic activity, and Faraday cages shield sensitive electronics from remote hacking or EMP threats. The engineering is equally impressive, shifting toward multi-level hydraulic lifts that double as rotating display platforms for 360-degree viewing. Specialized acoustic dampening materials, including micro-perforated foams and mass-loaded vinyl, isolate the roar of a V12 Cold Star from the main residence, so the house remains in library-like silence. Even the safety systems are specialized, utilizing localized chemical foam arrays that can smother a fire on a specific engine bay without damaging the rest of the collection or leaving acidic residue. The digital